I wanted to share with you a quick tip. This is to make your router bits last as long as they can. What I do is I take my bit cleaner, in this case it's CMT 2050 or Felder-Hausloser, I'm not sure what I put in this bottle, but it's an old prescription bottle, and obviously there is some slight leakage if you lay it on its side because I've got some staining here. And I've had this bit soaking for probably 5-10 minutes or so. I'll just set this over to the side, and what I like to do is take a nylon bristle brush. This is out of a gun cleaning kit, and I just brush that off. And then I'll wipe this off with a paper towel, and it's ready to go back and be ready for reuse.